Okay, so I finished adding my final custom feature to my game engine. So as you can see, I have my own little game here for the demo. It's just a box jumper game. Right now I jump way too high. I'll change that in the demo. But what I added is a file watcher for hot reloading. Originally I had it so you could manually call a reload function that would reload all the Lua components. I decided to change it and make it so we are polling to see when the last time each file was modified. So this way, when you're editing, you can just command save and the engine will automatically see that you have changed something and reload the Lua file, and you will see your changes automatically. There's a couple of benefits I also added in the new file watcher that I think improve the user experience for editing. So I'll go and explain how we do this first. So first, when we're going through and loading each component, we fill a Lua table with all the last modified times, which are the M times. And then every frame we call this function, which we have to do to avoid using any operating system specific functions like F event that would make it so this engine would not be able to build on Windows, Mac, and Linux. I wanted to make it so it would build on all of them still. That does come with some latency issues, but right now I have an interval, so it's called every frame, but the function only fully runs every 15 frames, so at 60 FPS, that's 4 times a second, which I feel like is more than good enough. And you can edit this value however you want. You could make it run the whole function every single frame if you wanted, but I don't have it like that for now for performance reasons, but anyone can play around with that as they want to. So yeah, so basically it goes through all the files. If there's a new file, it will load that in. I added some comments. So if a new file or a file that no actor uses is edited, we don't run the rest of the function because we can have that new file added, but it does not need to get like reinstantiated if no actor's using it because it will not actually change anything in the game. We then reload the new file. We check for errors and we don't actually crash. So if there is a Lua error, we just make it so that we return to the original file state from before, which lets users, if they accidentally make an error, they will be told about it, but it will not crash the whole engine so that they can just fix it quickly without having to restart the whole engine, which I thought was a huge bonus and something I liked to have. Yeah, so basically we just reload the whole Lua file and all the Lua components. So then that actor is, ready to, it's ready to go right away. And you get a little message if that is successful. So I will go, okay, so here's my game. So right now we're jumping too high, so I'll go to keyboard controls. So I will make it half and I'll command save. And let's see. Hopefully you can see this. It's right under the view. It printed in terminal, but oh, there you go. All right, so it says hot reload successful. So now if we go back to our game, remember how high we were jumping before? Now it's half that height. Can even go change the map. So let's say I want one more platform here, one more platform here. Command save. You can now see there's an extra platform up there. So thank you, and that is my new custom feature.